Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 4th of February 2017 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 3rd of Feb. Gold rose in US dollar terms last week by $28 from $1,191 to $1,219, having hit a high of $1,225 and a low of $1,118. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £977. That's up £28. And in euros, it closed at €1,130. That's down €13 on the week. Silver rose by 36 cents, from $17.14 to $17.50, having reached a high of $17.73 and a low of $17.06. In sterling terms, it closed at £14.02. That's up 36 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at €16.22. That's up 0.20 euros. The gold to silver ratio rose slightly from 69.49 to 1 to 69.66 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 20,071, up 186 points on the day and down 22 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 5,666, up 30 points on the day and up 6 points on the week. Brent crude was up $1.29 at $56.81, and US light crude was up 66 cents at $53.83. The dollar index stands at 99.87. That's down 0.66 on the week. Gold prices remained moderately strong all week, ending close to its weekly high, having gained almost 2.5%. Silver was also strong, but fluctuated quite widely, but again ended the week up over 2%. There were many factors which caused this, including the latest Gold Council report showing that demand for gold in 2016 actually rose by 2%. And although gold prices rose some 25% by September, they fell back subsequently, providing an annual gain of 8%. Alistair Hewitt, head of market intelligence at the World Gold Council, stated, quote, "Retail investors, having been subdued for most of the year, responded quickly to the price fall in quarter four, a fact reflected by a surge in demand in the physical market. With an equally uncertain political and economic environment likely in 2017, we expect investment demand to remain buoyant." Unquote. So, all looks good for gold and silver. However, have you heard the term follow the money? Well, in an interview with talk show host Charlie, billionaire investor Warren Buffett said, quote, "We've net bought $12 billion of common stocks since the election," unquote, indicating that he expects stock markets to rally, and he is not alone. With an investigation into Dodd-Frank regulations, we can predict that President Trump will roll back many of these, making it easier for banks to both lend and speculate further. This, in our opinion, will give the stock markets a huge boost, and do not be surprised to see 21,000 Dow quickly, followed by a 22,000 Dow once these regulation withdrawals begin to happen. Gold and silver prices at the moment are benefiting from the fear trade and uncertainty that Trump's policies may cause, especially with regard to relations with China, Mexico and Iran, not forgetting those on the Muslim ban list. Uncertainty abounds, and so we have conflicting aspects, without even mentioning the prospect of a Fed which may indeed raise interest rates in March or April. There are two aspects we are confident of. If the USA can avoid military conflict, then the stock market will simply rip ahead. And gold, and to a lesser extent silver prices, will fall. However, the slightest whiff of troop manoeuvres will move markets into a tailspin, and gold and silver will rapidly become a beneficiary. This is not strictly about fundamentals right now, as we pointed out in our video yesterday. It's about politics, the positioning of power, and a relatively unpredictable new president of the United States of America. So we can see prices strengthen a little further short term, although they should now be falling. And this is why watching the political landscape is perhaps more crucial now than it has been since 9/11. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its own.